ball of the innings.
Bowler is reading the batsman here and restricting him to his plans. He would be disappointed with himself. That was in his slot.
Oh, he has done enough on that one to put it over the ropes. That's 6.
This is brilliant batting from the batsman. He goes from top and in the gap as well. We are witnessing a cracker of a game here. Good to see the crowd getting involved. Puts away. The batsman sees it early and plunges onto it quickly. Can he get another one? Let's see.
Poor shot selection. Could have done better. Good field placements by the captain, and the bowler is responding well by bowling according to the field.
Goes big, high and long. That came from the middle of the bat. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball. Oh, he missed that one.
The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines. Should be a comfortable 2 there. Superb running between the wickets by these batsmen. Deep point placed to cover that square region.
Good shot. Very clean that. Nice pickup shot. He's looking in good touch here.
This is beautiful to watch. He's making the ball top.
He goes from top and in the gap as well.
He is wonderful to watch when in full flow. That's well played, playing into the vacant spaces.
Spinner into the attack. Let's see how much spin can he extract on this pitch.
End of batting power play. Would be interesting to see how they approach their batting now.
That's a wide. Has to bowl that one again. That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length. Bowler has overstepped. There is a fielder at cover.
Goes over the top and in the gap. Well played. Teams are aware of how dangerous this player can be. No ball called. Let's see, will the batsman be able to cash in the free hit?
That's no ball and the batsman will have a free hit.
Let's see, will the batsman be able to cash in the free hit? Pushed into the gap for a single. With the field spread, batsmen should be able to rotate the strike easily.
Bowler has overstepped.
All right, free hit coming up.
No ball called. All right, free hit coming up. Oh, brute of a delivery. He has been relentless against the spinners. That's no ball and the batsman will have a free hit. All right, free hit coming up. Bowler has overstepped. That's a wonderful victory and the batsmen congratulate each other.
Let's congratulate our